The theatrical trailer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan was launched today in Mumbai, and first of all, something about the promo. It's a very engaging promo. It's entertaining for sure, but at the same time, there's a lot of emotion which is there in this promo. I'm sure that the movie should be something to look forward to. Salman himself said that. At the event that while shooting for this movie, many a times he had tears in his eyes, so he did not need glycerine for just enacting those scenes. It was definitely the event of the year. Salman Khan was at his hilarious best. He was entertaining like always. Kareena Kapoor was looking extremely glamorous and beautiful. There was Nawazuddin, there was Kabir Khan. Mini Mathur hosted today's event. Media had just gathered in full numbers. It was definitely one of the biggest gatherings as far as media contingent is concerned. Too many video cameras as well. So let's bring you Bajrangi Bhaijaan trailer launch only on BollywoodHungama.com.
Today is a very special day. Yes, it's all going to happen. It's a very special day. Not just because we're going to be showing you finally a glimpse of what Bajrangi Bhaijaan promises to be, but also because Bajrangi Bhaijaan has been such an extraordinary journey for everyone who's been involved with the film. I think the fact that its lead actor is the producer is probably the biggest conviction there is in the film. So ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready for the Bajrangi Bhaijaan trailer? I can't hear you. You've got to be louder than that. Are we ready? All right. So here, ladies and gentlemen, is the trailer of the most exciting awaited film of the year. And I bring to you the man who's taken the conviction to be the producer of the film. Please welcome Bajrangi Bhaijaan himself, Mr. Salman Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, Salman, and before we actually get down to the trailer, a couple of questions. Salman, on a more serious note, I just wanted to know that it is the first film that's coming out of the Salman Khan film stable. So, why is it that you chose Bajrangi Bhaijaan as the film that will really be the flag bearer to this Salman Khan film?
Because इससे अच्छी कोई स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली और फिर हमारे डायरेक्टर भी एक बहुत ही सिंसियर एंड बहुत ही जाने माने डायरेक्टर हैं जिनका नाम है कबीर खान. इसके पहले उन्होंने एक हमें फिल्म दी थी जो कि ठीक ठाक चल गई थी, टाइगर. तो इससे बेटर बेट क्या हो सकता है. तो आई थॉट कि सेफ खेलो और अगर होम प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करना है तो घर से ही शुरू करो. मीनी एंड कबीर आर लाइक फैमिली. तो हमने सोचा कि इससे बेस्ट कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी हमें.
तो सलमान, बजरंगी भाईजान की क्या खास बात है, आप प्लीज हमारे प्रेस को बताइए, एंड देन we're gonna show them what it's really all about. But why is it special for you?
खासियत यह है कि मेरी तरफ बहुत ही सिंपल है बजरंगी भाईजान, और बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही नेक हैं, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. अरे वाह, 15 साल के तक कोई टेंशन नहीं मुझे. जब तक ये ऑडियंस रहता है ना,
It's all good.
It's all good. It's all good, all good.
More about that though, before we actually reveal the trailer, Salman, should we call on the director of the film onto the stage and unse bhi ek guftagu ho jaye? So
please.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's a guy who I've pretty much crushed on for the last 15, 17 years, Kabir Khan.
Still just a...
To show them the trailer first. बहुत सारे questions हैं, बहुत सारी बातें हैं which I'm sure they want to know about the film. was, I mean, we all, it's weird, you know, me asking him questions because I already know some of the answers, but this is a good opportunity because whatever I ask him, he has to answer today. Was Salman always Pawan for you in this, when you thought of Bajrangi?
was asked making Ekta Tiger, and somebody asked me why Salman, and my answer was, is there another tiger in the industry? So similarly for Bajrangi Bhaijaan also, once you see the film, there is nobody better for this role than Salman. It's basically Salman personified. And that was very evident जब मैंने पहली ये कहानी जो मिस्टर विजेंद्र प्रसाद ने हमें बताई थी, जब मैंने सुनाई सलमान को, we both just fell in love with this story. And it's because it's in some way this is the way we want to see the world. This is the way we feel the world should be. And that's why it became a very special film for us. And not only did he agree to act in it, I'm producing this film.
That was a bit of a surprise, wasn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
So इससे पहले कि हम और फिल्म के बारे में आगे बातें करें, should we just unleash it?
Yes.
Yep. All right. So I request you to just keep your cameras down for a bit. We'll give you a photo opportunity with everybody and also have a question answer. Whatever you want to know, we are here. But if you can just put your cameras down for a minute and not use the flashes. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I ask you, are you ready? Ready for the Bajrangi Bhaijaan trailer? Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. First responses, ladies and gentlemen, maza aaya? Exactly what you expected? More, less? More. Okay. Okay, it's time कि हम आपको उन सबसे मिलवाएं. People who've been, who you would like to question, people who've been involved with the film. So once again, जोरदार तालियों के साथ, please let's have Salman back on stage. Salman, Kabir, can we have you on stage? And ladies and gentlemen, the bonanza doesn't end there. Can we please put our hands together and welcome the very, very lovely Kareena Kapoor Khan. That's Rasika from the film. Pawan ki
And
Rasika aa gayi, please.
this is the girl I've had a crush with. 15,
15 years you've been crushing?
15, 17 years.
It's-
My Benji.
All right. We'll find somebody else who we can crush in a will. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you an opportunity. Please put your hands together for the incredibly talented Nawazuddin Siddiqui. We'd also like to call on stage the producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. He's a co-producer. Please welcome Rockline Venkatesh. Can we have on stage Mr. Amar Butala? He's the co-producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and he's also the COO of Salman Khan Films. A really nice man. And Mr. Nandu Ahuja from Eros International. He's the Senior Vice President of India Theatrical. Here he is. Alright, so something tells me that जब तक ये photo op नहीं होगी तब तक आप कुछ सुनेंगे नहीं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. So please, this is an opportunity to get your photo op. Please, let's do that first. Get over with it, and then we'll do a Q&A. right, okay. We've done pictures. एक बार और opportunity मिलेगी. We can do this once again right at the end. But now we'll just do a couple of questions. You can all sit, please, if whatever, however it's comfortable. All right. Okay. So we will be opening the floor open, to you guys for questioning as well. But there are a couple of questions which I think मैं ही पूछ लूँ तो better है उनसे आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा what Bajrangi Bhaijaan and its making was all about. Kareena, I'll start with you first. आप पवन की रसिका की इस फिल्म में जैसे कि सलमान ने बोला he's been your admirer for 15 years. It's the first Salman Khan film's home production and you're its very first heroine. How does that feel? And
Well, I
how was
think
it playing Rasika?
There are quite a few firsts, especially when it comes to Salman. The first man who saw me in a night dress also was Salman Khan when I was 9 years old. Now, plus the fact that I think that when Atul and Baby became a producer for the first time, I was in their first film in Bodyguard. When Arbaz became a director for the first time, I was in Dabangg 2 in Fevicol. And now Salman becomes a producer for the first time. I'm his Rasika in the film. And of course, I'm working with Kabir for the first time.
That's right. So there are many, many firsts. How has it been playing, Rasika? It's a character which has a lot of layers and, she's
Yeah, it's a
pretty
special character.
pure.
We've tried to keep it as real and very unlike, I think, a typical Hindi film heroine because as you know, Kabir is very, very real as a director. I mean, if you try to wear extra jewelry or a little more accessories, he's like, you're too overdressed for the scene. So I think that we try to keep it as real, and I'm really happy and excited about the entire film and to be part of the entire film.
Great. There's a whole lot of fan base out there which is just waiting for your, the trailer to come out so they can see your look in the film and what you're doing in the film, and they finally got to see it. Kabir, a little bit of an introduction to... क्यों हंस रहे हैं आप लोग मेरे पे? This is ridiculous. मैं दोबारा नहीं करूँगी ये. मैं कभी भी पूछती हूँ उनसे कुछ आप हंसते हैं. कबीर, इससे पहले कि मैं बाकी थोड़ी serious questions पूछूं, आप, why don't you tell everyone about, I've often heard Kabir say at home that Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the kind of cinema that he's always wanted to make. It's his true, expression of a filmmaker. I know it's true, but can you tell them how?
I mean, there are lots of reasons for it. One is, of course, it's an incredibly warm story about human relationships, but it's set against a very larger-than-life backdrop, and that's the kind of cinema I've always wanted to do. That's the kind of cinema I like watching, and I obviously love making, where there's a nice, intimate, warm human relationship story, but set against this very energetic backdrop. And it's also the issue, the politics of the film, the way people behave is something that is very close to my heart and very close to Salman's heart. And that's the reason why I think Bajrangi is the kind of film that we really are really excited to make.
Salman, ये सब जानते हैं that you are not, one just saw in the trailer that there are multiple locations and there are deserts and there are mountains and there are rivers and there's like every possible topographical change in the film. ये सब जानते हैं कि आप, you like to shoot around,
Karjat.
Bombay, Karjat, Panvel.
Studio Panvel, Karjat. But he likes to shoot all over the world.
तो आप फंस गए basically.
पिछली बार दुनिया के हर कोने के अंदर लेके गए थे. पहले ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हुआ करते थे ना, तो इनको ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है. अब इस फिल्म में क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि इंडिया बेस्ड फिल्म है एंड ही इज अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक फिल्म मेकर, तो इन्होंने हमको पूरा देश दिखाया इस बार. पूरा देश दिखाया, और देश की भी मतलब कि एकदम अंदर लेके गए हम. It was a great experience.
You did it and you did it so, like, आप पहाड़ भी चढ़े, आप नदी में भी कूदे, and you walked through desert. So, आपकी क्या मतलब, what were you thinking inside? गालियाँ दे रहे थे या?
मेरा कार्डियो अच्छा हो गया.
Right. What has been the process of going through, the character of Pawan is very close to you, जैसे कि कबीर ने कहा. It's very similar to what you are in real life. Did you, आपकी कोई internal discoveries भी हुई as the film?
जब हमने first time ये script सुनी थी, तो एक वो greed आता है ना कि ये film किसी और के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. There is such a beautiful story told कि I don't think that anyone would have been able to tell the story better than Kabir and me.
चलिए.
So for you guys, I mean, कोई और बना लेता, बकवास बनती पिक्चर, चलती पिक्चर. लेकिन we thought के एक एहसान कर देते हैं कि इस फिल्म को इतनी अच्छी बनाते हैं कि ये फिल्म अब चलना ना चलना वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में. लेकिन we've given this film our best because we totally believe in this film. ये प्यार मोहब्बत की फिल्म है, सिंपल लोगों की कहानी है और एक लार्जर देन लाइफ के बैकग्राउंड में सेट है. मुझे तो ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि हम लोग सिर्फ एडिटिंग रूम में फिल्म देखते हैं या ओनली व्हेन यू डबिंग, बट जब इस फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं तो बार बार ये नरेशन सुनाई दे रहा था मुझे. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट एंड एवरी टाइम देयर वाज अ शॉट आई वाज नॉर्मल, साउंड कैमरा एक्शन, एंड इन द इमोशनल मोमेंट्स टीयर्स यूज्ड टू कम आउट. सो यूजुअली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, मैं बड़ी ठोक पीट के काम करता हूँ इमोशनल सीन में, not to feel that emotion, to put glycerine and to make it work. It looks okay on screen, so itni mehnat kyun karo? But in this film, I didn't even have to do that. I used to turn around in a shot and there were tears flowing down my cheeks. And action में गुस्सा आता था, कॉमेडी में हंसी आती थी, रोमांस में बस रोमांस का ही प्रॉब्लम था बस.
We won't ask.
रोमांस में अली आते थे, सैफ अली आते थे.
Kareena, we